Welcome friends. Today again I'm here for showing you a new smartphone. The smartphone is Infinix Smart 5. So let's get started. First of all discuss about its general overview. The brand name of this smartphone is Infinix and the model is Smart 5. It's have operating system which is Android version 10 also known as Q. It's a dual SIM smartphone. SIM 1 size is nano and SIM 2 size is also nano. Now next go for its display characteristics. So the screen size of this smartphone is 6.2 inches and in centimeter it is 15.75 centimeter. It have a screen resolution of 720 by 1600 pixels. It have bezel-less display with water drop notch and have pixel density of 283 ppi. It have display type of IPS LCD display with features capacitive touch screen and multi-touch. Now next go for its performance. So the chipset used in this smartphone is MediaTek MT6580 chipset. On it the processor is mounted is quad core processor in it 1.3 GHz Cortex A53 processor. It's a graphics processor of Mali 400 MP GPU with RAM of 2 GB RAM. Now next go for its storage capacity. So the internal memory of this smartphone is 16 GB and you can be expanded up to 256 GB via the help of micro SD card. Now next go for its camera features. So the main camera resolution of this smartphone is 13 megapixel plus 2 megapixel dual primary cameras. It's autofocus, also have LED flash with the main camera. The image resolution of this main camera is 4128 by 3096 pixels with different settings like exposure, compensation, ISO control, continuous shooting, high dynamic range mode, HDR, digital zoom, auto flash, flash detection, touch to focus and many more. It's also front camera. The front camera resolution of this smartphone is 5 megapixel front camera. Now next go for its battery capacity. So the battery capacity of this smartphone is 3500 mAh. It's a lithium ion battery. Now next go for its network and connectivity features. So both SIM supports 4G with VoLTE, Wi-Fi features such as mobile hotspot, Bluetooth, GPS with a GPS GLONASS, USB connectivity like mass storage device, USB charging, micro USB, USB Type C, and many more. For multimedia features, it's have loudspeaker and audio jack of 3.5 mm. For special features, it's have other sensors like light sensor, proximity sensor, accelerometer, and many more. So why you buy this phone? Number one, nice display. Number two, good battery backup. Number three, great cameras. Number four, nice performance processor. Number 5, sufficient RAM. And number 6, user friendly storage. Now the most important thing you need to know, the Infinix Smart 5 smartphone price in India is expected to be rupees 6999. The Infinix Smart 5 smartphone expected to be launched on September 25, 2020. This is 2 GB RAM and 16 GB internal storage best variant of Infinix Smart 5 smartphone, which is expected to be available in black and gold color. So dear friends, this is all about Infinix Smart 5 smartphone. Write your opinion in the comment section of this phone, which is very important to us. So if you enjoy this video, please like it, share, comment, and also subscribe my channel for getting latest upcoming mobile information first. So dear friends, let's meet in another video. Thank you very much.